Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 2 mid-level 2 vacation property. Basically this is the second chapter of Excel section of my IT lab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments, please contact me on WhatsApp, email, or WeChat ID that I have mentioned in the description of this video. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen as well. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics, statistics, etc. So, title of the assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 Mid-Level 2 Vacation Property 1.1. This is the title of this assignment and we are supposed to complete this assignment from step 1 to end. At start of the instruction file you can see this project description. Basically this project description has nothing to do with the assignment, but you can read this to get an idea about the assignment. Main part of the assignment are these steps from step 1 to step 13. I will solve these steps in this video and you can follow me to complete this assignment. So step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file named Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 Mid-Level 2 Vacation Property. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So this is the Excel file that we are supposed to use in this assignment and you can download this file from your MyIT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this and you can also download from your MyIT Lab dashboard. So we will move to step number 2 because step number 1 is just about downloading the Excel file. So this is step number 2. It is saying that write an if function in cell D9 that calculates the down payment for the mortgage. The down payment is 15% of the purchase price if the customer is considered high risk of 5%. High risk of 5% of the purchase price if considered low risk. The criteria to assess the risk of the loan is based on the credit score value in cell B6. So this is the criteria given for the if function. Be sure to use appropriate absolute or mixed cell references when referring the input values in the range B4 up to B6. Then use a fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell D28. So basically we are supposed to use a if function to complete this step. So we will simply go to D9 and we are supposed to calculate the down payment, but for calculating the down payment we are supposed to use an if function. So we will simply type an equal sign and we will type if. Now click this insert function symbol so that we can put the function arguments. So our test is based on the credit score, so we will type if C9 so if C9 is less than this credit score value given in B6, then the value will be 15% of the 15% of the purchase price. So 15% is mentioned in B4. So we will multiply B4 with D9. So this will be the value. Otherwise, the value will be the 5% of the purchase price. So we will multiply 5% with B5. Sorry. We will multiply B5 with this one. So we will get the result like this one. So this will be our down payment based on the if function we have just calculated. Now we are supposed to copy this formula down to the column to get the other values. So I will simply use the autofill handler to get the other values. So we got the other values. So our step number 2 is completed, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 3. Step number 3 is enter a formula to calculate the percent financed in cell E9. So now we are supposed to calculate the percent financed in cell E9. The percent financed is the amount financed divided by the purchase price. Next, use the fill handler to copy the formula down stopping at E28. So to calculate the percent finance, formula is given, that is the amount finance divided by purchase price. So we will simply type an equal sign and we will type amount finance divided by purchase price. So amount financed will be equal to house cost minus down payment, and this will be our amount financed, and we are supposed to divide this by the purchase price, this one. So we will get the percent financed for this one, and we will use autofill handler to get the other values for this one. So we have completed the percent financed in step number 3, and now we are going to do next step, that is step number 4. So in step number 4, it is saying that enter a formula in cell F9. So now we are supposed to enter a formula in cell F9 to calculate the amount financed. The amount financed is the purchase price minus down payment. After entering the formula, use the fill handler to copy the down to the columns. So we are supposed to calculate this amount finance. Just we have created this one, B9 minus D9 is the amount finance, and we will use the same formula here. Amount finance will be the house cost minus the down payment, and we will get the amount finance. So this is the amount finance that we are supposed to use in column F. So we have calculated the amount finance. So we have calculated down payment, then percent financed and amount financed, and we have completed 4 steps so far. So I am doing this assignment step by step so that you can do this assignment on your own. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, you can contact me and I will do this assignment for you. I have been doing courses for students, and I have been producing A grade for you students. But if you want to get a score, please contact me on WhatsApp or email that is showing at the bottom of the screen, and I will do this course for you. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 5. So next step is use the lookup function in cell G9 to look up the mortgage rate based on the customer credit score and the data in the range D4 up to E6. Be sure to use appropriate absolute or mixed cell references. Use the fill handler to copy the formula down, stopping in cell G28. So in step number 5, we are supposed to use the lookup function, and this lookup function we are using to calculate the mortgage rate. So let me use this lookup function. So we will get the lookup values from this array that is given in D4 up to E6. So let me use the lookup function. We will simply type an equal sign and we can type lookup here and lookup function will appear, or simply go to the formula tab and click on this lookup references and look for the lookup function here. So now we are supposed to enter the lookup values. So we are going to get so our lookup value will be the credit score, because this table array is based on the credit score. So C9, our table array will be this one, because we are going to get the rate from this table. So our table array will be this one. And column index. Now we are supposed to enter the column index as we are going to get the rate. So rate in the table array is the second column, so we will type 2 here. So we are using a lookup function to get the rate, and we will get the rate like this one. So we got the rate by using the lookup function. You can see that. Let me show you again. Our lookup value is C9 credit score. Table array is mentioned here. This one is the table array, and column index is 2. So we got the mortgage rate. Now we will use the autofill handler to get the other values in this column. So we got the other values in this column. So that is all about step number 5. So I have completed 5 steps of this assignment. So I have shown you down payment, how you can calculate the down payment. Then I have shown you how you can calculate the percent finance. Then I have shown you the amount financed and then the mortgage rate. Now we are supposed to calculate the rate per period. So rate per period will be simply G9 divided by 12, and it will give us the rate per period, and that is our step number 6. This one, it is saying that calculate the rate per period in cell H9. All mortgage being financed will be paid monthly. After completing the formula, use the fill handler to copy the formula down. So rate per period is G9, that is the mortgage rate, divided by 12, and we will get the rate per periods for all these values. So we got the rate per period for this one. So that is step number 6. So we have completed 6 steps so far, and total steps in this assignment are 12. So let me show you one more step, that is step number 7. So for the remaining steps, I will just give you an overview so that you can complete those steps on your own. But if you want me to do those steps, you can ask me to do that. So step number 6. Calculate the total number of payment period in cell J9 based on the year financed in cell I9. After completing the formula, use the fill handler to copy the formula down, stopping in cell J28. So we are supposed to calculate the number of payments. So we can calculate the number of payments by multiplying the year with 12. So I will simply type the formula I9 multiplied by 12, and we will get the number of payments. So number of payments will be year multiplied by the month in a year, I9 multiplied by 12, and you will use autofill handle to get the other values. So I have shown you 7 complete steps out of 12 steps. So This is almost 70% of this assignment that I have shown you in this video. Now for the remaining steps, I will just give you an overview so that you can complete those steps on your own. But if you want me to do those steps, you can hire me. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can hire me and I will do this assignment for you and I will do this complete course for you. Let me show you the final version for this assignment now. So this is the final version of this assignment. Maximum things I have shown you in the video, how you can calculate those. So I have done almost 75 or 70% of the assignment in this video. But for the remaining steps you can. So you can have this done by solving the remaining steps. I have solved this one. So you can hire me to do this assignment or to do this complete course, or you can hire me to do your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics, statistics, etc. I request you to subscribe to my channel and like my videos because I am producing useful videos for your courses. Soon I will be posting the solution for mathematics, statistics, accounting, etc. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. Thank you so much again.